Hi everyone. So today we will start with uh, data structure programs. So it's better to start with fundamental programs. So let me go to some editor and see. So this is the first program. So what we will see, uh, we will see the code for to calculate sum of n natural number. So this is the problem statement. For example, we have number as, let's take number equal to what, 5. And so in program what we'll write, in lowercase int n equal to 5, we need to calculate sum of n natural number. So it will start from where, 1. So it will start from 1 and it will go to till 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and the result. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So this is the output. So what we can do, so we need to write the logic, or let's go with idea. What is the idea? So idea is, mhm, so we will start with, and we need sum. Okay, so we need sum start, it will, we can store at 0, and we will start from 1 and till it reaches to number n, and we will keep on increasing the value of n. So when it starts from 1 and ends at 5. So what we can do, we can go to editor and we will write a class. Okay, sum of n natural number. Sum of n natural number. We will write main method, and we can call the number is sum of n natural number, and the method name sum of n natural, and we can pass the value. For example, we have integer number equal to 5, and we will pass this value, I mean number, to this method. Just click, just keep the cursor this method name, and we'll get this suggestion, create method. So it just, it will come here, and this is the method sum of n natural. And what we can do, we can return it. We don't want to display it here, we'll return, and we can just print that value, system.println, and the method name here. Once it will return okay the value, and we can display using system.out.println. So what we need, we don't want this auto generated method stub. Okay, so we will write the sum because we need to store. We'll start from 1 and it will go till this n value. This is the one logic. Or we can start with 5 also, and we can increment by 1 each time, and once it reaches to 1, then we can just terminate and return that value. We can store that value in sum, and we'll keep on adding. We can return that value. So sum equal to 0, and what we can do, we can use condition like while this number is what greater than 0. Yeah, and what we can do, we can simply store this sum value in sum plus and this number and number minus. So the logic is, we have created this value, I mean this integer sum reference, we have to store this value in sum. So sum, and we can keep on, I mean decreasing this sum value. For example, sum is given 5, so this method will be getting called here, and it will come to this method. For example, if you want to see control and this cursor, if you keep it here, we'll get this option, open declaration or open implementation. We want to see the implementation, just click it here, so it will come to here, and this num value will come here, and while this number is greater than 0, so 5 is greater than 0, so what we'll do, we'll store the value of num here. So 5 plus sum is 0 here, so what it will be 5. Again we will decrease this number by 1, so again it will come again in while condition. It's greater than 4, I mean greater than 0, so the 4 is greater than 0. Again it will what it will do, so sum is stored as 5 again. Now it's became the number as 4, so 5 plus 4, again it will decrement by 1, so again it will come to here this while condition, so it will become now 3 is greater than 0, so it was already 5 plus 4 9. This time again we will store in this sum variable, so again 3 we will decrement by 1, and it will come here value as 2, so 2 is greater than 0, so again it will store in this sum variable. Again we will decrement by 1 here, value will become as 1, so 1 is greater than 0, so again we will store it in sum. Again what we'll do, it uh, will decrement by 1, so once this value is to 0, so 0 is not greater than 0, so we will not come here, and simply at last what we will do, this while condition close here, and we can simply return sum as output, and just right click, run as Java application. So this is the output. It's so okay, or we can write something like num plus here space. I can note like this. Mhm. So here sum of this number mhm, mhm. No method, we can't put it here. Let me just close. Here we can write sum of okay. Let me just make it little okay. So here what we can write sum of n is here number sum of n natural number is and just keeps colon space plus we can store this value in integer response equal to here just close and we can just display this response here. So it's like somewhat neat and clean. Just go right click run as Java application. So sum of 5 natural number is 15 and okay, so our program terminates here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just post this code to GitHub and share this GitHub link in comment section. If you want code you can just go through the code. If you have any doubts you can comment in, you can ask there. Thank you so much.